Okay, here's the potting mix. And it's really, really dusty. Should be enough for that. And here's my rattlesnake plant. And I'm going to put it over here. So it's here. And here's the other potting soil that I have. And hopefully it's not as dry as it is. It's dry, just not as dusty. Okay, back when I was growing up, the rattlesnake plant was known as mother-in-law tongues. I don't know why when they started calling them rattlesnake plants, but back when I was growing up, they were mother-in-law tongues. And mine don't want to seem to stand up just right, but I'll take care of that in a few minutes. But that's how you repot a plant. See you later. Bye.